Daily recap. Basically, the markets is not open because it's the weekend, so it's just a pretty calm day. It's pretty cold outside for me, so you know I have to dress warm. Um, Linked up with a couple friends. I meditated this morning. I was meditation like I'm planning on visualizing too, like as I like lay down to get ready to go to sleep. Practically, I'm just gonna visualize. I haven't visualized in a bit, but I planted a lot of seeds, especially during the summertime. I planted seeds for sure. I planted seeds. I watered them Jones. I made sure. So, and I just been working on it. So I'm just gonna visualize because I know I'm close to it. So I'm gonna visualize a couple of things. Like I said, pretty calm day. Nothing too much. As for how I'm feeling in terms of semen retention, I'm pretty good to be honest. Like I'm on day 13. Yeah, 13. It's the nighttime, so I can technically count it. 13. I mean, getting the stairs up. You feel me? Should he's staring. Should he's peeping a real one? You feel me? Like really peeping a real one. And tomorrow's technically 14. That don't make sense. I thought Monday would have been 14. Well, technically, nah. Today is technically 13. Yesterday was 12. It was yesterday 11. Yesterday was 12. Alright, anyways. My energies it feels pretty stable right now. It's not going down. It feels pretty stable. I'm still being able to apply myself to what I want to do. Still moving exactly how I said I was. I'm not trying to like crash or nothing like that, because I know like when I pick up too much things at once in a week, that's what leads me to like get off of it. You feel me? But when I like just pick up what I can handle, or maybe like less than what I can handle, and then I do that over and over and over again, then that becomes like a new baseline. When you go to exactly like your highest point of what you can handle, you're probably gonna burn out. But when you just do like just below that, that's when you could like maintain that. Then when that becomes your baseline, you could even do 2 times what you originally could. So yeah, that's what I've been doing for the last couple of weeks. You know what I mean? I've been working out consistently, like pushing my body, doing that to the best of my ability, just putting that as my baseline, not giving up. I've been doing that for a while now, like a couple of months maybe even. Been doing that for a while, practicing my calisthenics, go lie handstand, for me, but I master that. Another thing, it's been pretty calm. I've just been focusing on like being quiet. We're focusing on being quiet because I can, like, in times when I'm like, it depends on what people I'm around, but I can indeed talk a lot. But like most of the time when I'm by myself, I'm not really chatting OD. Like I'm reacting to shit. Like I'm seeing stuff. You feel me? I'm just having fun. You feel me? I'm reacting. For me, like I'm putting quotation marks up because I don't react for real. Like I respond most of the time. Like when I'm just chilling by myself and I'm not trying to be like OD on top of my head, and I see a funny video, I might just like, you feel me? I'm gonna laugh, whatever, just react. Like I'm responsibly reacting pretty much. Like I'm consciously reacting on purpose because you got to keep the balance. You got to keep the balance. You feel me? Like when you doing something, like where there's good, there's gonna be bad. But it's your job to place bad where you want there to be bad, transmute that, turn it into good. It's your job. When you see bad, you can transmute that into good if you want to. Or you could even make bad yourself. If you know that, oh, you might do this and it's gonna be embarrassing, so what? Do it. You're pitting that bad there right now. That way you can continue on your streak of highs. Think about it like this. In trading, there's higher highs and higher lows. So now let's say you wanna pretty much continue going higher, right? In order to do that, you have to make a higher low. So it's your job not to get dragged down by the low all the way down back to prominent lows. No, you want to stop it right here. Feel me? You want to go up. Feel me? Stop it right here. Come back into that order block, and then feel me? Continue back up. higher highs and higher lows. That's basically number one way to continuously keep on increasing. You want to make your own bads, make your own BS moments. That way you can climb on top of that and continue higher. That's the best way you could do it. You don't want to make the lows so bad that they just drag you every which way. Like, you don't want to you don't want to keep climbing, and then boom, because that's what's going to happen. There has to be a balance. That's why you want to be able to do. You should, yeah, that's basically it. Let me know if y'all want to see more content like that, like where I just talk about the like philosophy and metaphysics, to be honest, because I'm probably gonna start talking about that a lot. It's gonna be but like, bro, because I could really connect a lot of things with trading, like trading and like metaphysics. Like, I could connect a lot of examples with them both. I think that's it pretty much. Cause I could talk for a longer time. I could talk like on longer form videos and just be talking to y'all, telling y'all, for me, about everything on semen retention, psychology, metaphysics. But right now I'm really getting my footing, to be honest, bro. Cause like, for me, I still got the female attraction. You feel me? Like, shorties is on me. OC. Out of control, yo. Feel me? On the real, that's how it is. Oh, whatever. But yeah, they on me. Chilling. You're on the semen retention journey. The best thing that you could be focused on, bro, is to have a destination in mind. Like, when you have any type of goal, have like land, like plots, like little like land plots in each segment, each point. Like, maybe it could be 1 week. You want to continue. You want to do 1 week marks, and every week you add one to like a tally, and then just put just a white paper up and tape that shit to the wall, and then write a tally, or just split it into boxes and have 1 week, 2 week, 2 week, 3 week. You could write notes in the boxes. That's something that I got. You could do things. You could do things like that. Keep a tally. And separate into weeks. Maybe it's 2 months. Maybe it's 3 months. Maybe you want to do 8 weeks, for me, or more, right? And then write down every week what you learn, what you feel, what you think, right? It's important to have goals. Like, it's important to have goals, or else you're gonna just lose your way. You're gonna drift off, especially when the flat line comes. You're gonna be like, I don't really feel like nothing. I was just doing it just to try it anyways. And then you just go, feel me? That is a goal in itself, though. Just to try it is a goal in itself, because like, even that's like another plot inside. Like, that's another like land plot, for me, in of itself. Because you set the intention, you tried it, then you move, then you probably gonna come back to it. But that was step one, in a sense. You feel me? You tried it the first time. That's step one right there. Like, it's a linear journey. I mean, it goes like this, and it goes up and up and up and up and up, to be honest. Me personally, I'm doing this because I have to become the king that beckons me to arrive at the throne of my full potential, to raise me and my family's name to great heights. That's on the real right there. But I gotta edit this now.